Softwood plantations are the ultimate renewable resource, growing tomorrow's homes and regrowing for the future. In 2019, the New South Wales North Coast experienced fires that burnt through more than half of the softwood plantations in the Grafton district and destroyed a local timber mill. Forestry Corporation of New South Wales has been rebuilding, replanting and regrowing these plantations and shoring up the long-term future of the Grafton timber industry. Our plantations are resilient and we still have large areas of healthy, mature, standing timber that was not impacted by fire. We are now looking for partners to rebuild a strong and sustainable softwood processing industry on the New South Wales North Coast. Every part of a softwood tree can be put to use, with a single tree able to produce structural timber, engineering wood products, fencing, furniture, chipboard, paper, packaging, and even biofuels, so nothing goes to waste. We replant every tree we harvest, so our plantations will continue producing the same amount of sustainable timber and wood products for the next 100 years and beyond. Timber is the ultimate renewable and has a bright future. Want to be a part of the next chapter of our renewable industry? Visit the Forestry Corporation website for more details.